It is getting harder and harder for people to thrive and survive in retirement. With inflation, COVID, and everything else that's happened over the past few years, retirees are feeling the crunch more than anybody else in our economy because of fixed incomes and restrictions on the ability to go back and get a new job or do extra work. It is harder for retirees to live well in retirement. And so this is why we're trying to help people understand that there is a way for you to experience financial peace of mind. It's called a reverse mortgage. My name is Trevor Carlson. I'm the president of Heritage Reverse Mortgage. We're HECM specialists. That's all we do is help people to learn the benefits of home equity conversion mortgages and align those benefits with your goals and needs in retirement. Now, the easiest way for me to explain how reverse mortgages work is I like to compare it with a standard mortgage because most of us have had one of those. With a standard mortgage, you go to the bank, you borrow money from the bank, and the agreement is that the bank's going to charge you interest on the money that you've borrowed until you repay that money. And so that creates a monthly payment where you're paying a little bit of the principal, you're paying the interest you've been charged for the past month, and that's how you repay that loan. With a reverse mortgage, the only difference is that payments become optional. That means that from now until the rest of your life, or until you no longer need this home, you can forego payments on a monthly basis. You're still being charged interest on the money you've borrowed, but instead of making a payment to pay that interest, the interest will be added to the balance of the loan. And so over time, instead of your mortgage balance slowly trickling down to nothing, your balance will slowly trickle up until you either pass away or you sell the home. And that's when the bank gets their money back. When you no longer need this home, you sell the home or you pass away, your family will inherit it, they will sell the home or refinance it, and that's when the bank gets repaid on the money that you've borrowed. Now, this is what's so life-changing for most people with a reverse mortgage is our homes tend to be our largest asset, but they also tend to be our largest expense. And so if you can use your largest asset to eliminate your largest expense, it's going to create a life-changing adjustment in your life where you can not only have the ability to free up all of that money you've been paying in monthly payments to the mortgage company, but you can also use some of your equity in your home to consolidate other debts, to travel, to pay medical expenses, to give to your children now before you pass away as an inheritance. And so having a reverse mortgage for our clients has been life-changing. And at this point, since I started this company about 7 years ago, we've helped roughly 12 to 1,300 people get a reverse mortgage. And as I mentioned, it is always a life-changing experience. It's improving lives in ways that no other mortgage out there can, no other asset out there can. And so if you've been looking for ways to experience greater financial peace of mind, to deal with the financial struggles that we're having in our economy right now, a reverse mortgage would help you to leverage the equity you have in your home to do just that, to reduce your expenses, to improve your income, to create more freedom and flexibility, and offer you that ability to live better. And so if you have more questions, if you want to explore the options you have and how a reverse mortgage could benefit your life and your family, let me know. You can call us at 435-359-9000. You can email me directly at trevor@heritagehl.com, or you can find more material like this at our website at heritagereversemortgage.com. Thanks again for watching, and we'll hopefully be talking to you very soon.